to improve eye contact of your child at home or any other place? What all things you can do at home to improve the eye contact? Hi everyone, this is Dr. Sonam Kothari. I'm a pediatric neurologist, a behavior analyst and a special educator. The first thing you need to understand is when the child needs to give an eye contact. Usually a child needs to give an eye contact, or even we give an eye contact when we ask for something, or we are requesting for something, or we are demanding for something, or we are listening to someone's instruction. These are the two times when we actually give an eye contact. So our intervention should also be during these two areas. So whenever you are teaching requesting skill to the child, or whenever the child wants something, he's taking your hand, he's pulling your hand and taking to that place where what he wants, or he's requesting through words what he wants, the first thing is do not give that thing unless you make the child look into your eye, because that's the time when he will look into your eye and he will get his thing. So suppose the child is asking for a ball, keep the ball in your hand. If he is continuously looking at the ball, keep the ball very near to your eye. At one instance, there will be a time when he will just look into your eye and again look into your ball, look near the ball. So during that time, you should say, "Yeah, nice looking," and give the ball. So basically, what I'm trying to tell is, whenever the child is requesting, don't just make him request by pointing or telling or taking your hand, but make him look into your eyes before getting that thing. If you do it consistently, he will understand that without looking into the eyes, she doesn't give me thing. So he will start looking into your eyes. Second, whenever you are giving instructions or whenever you are teaching him any skill, make sure that he listens to you by giving an eye contact. If he is not, wait. The moment he looks at you, give the instruction and let him follow the instruction. When you keep doing that multiple times, again he remembers, after the instruction I'm getting my reinforcer, but instruction is not getting placed because I'm not looking into the eyes. So he will start looking into your eyes, he will do the instructions, follow the instruction with your help of your prompt, and he will get his reinforcer. So the first time or the first area where you need to work for eye contact is during requesting. Always make sure, do not give the stuff to the child unless he makes a microsecond of eye contact, and then only give the child the thing whatever he demands for. Thank you.